Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today I'm going to show you how to get the DJI Mini 3 Pro started. So I'm assuming you've gone through the whole setup process first. If you haven't done that, you need to do that first before you watch this video. This video is for those of us who did the startup program, flew the drone, put it someplace to charge, and forgot about it for 3 weeks, and now you simply can't remember how to turn this magnificent creature back on. Well, here we go. I've got everything in place here. We're going to take this cover off, and all we do is we press and hold. And same thing on the drone itself, press and hold. I will show you how to take off and land in a second. To turn it off, you're simply going to do the same thing. Tap and hold, tap and hold. Let's take it inside and have a look at the screen. It's easier to see inside. I'll turn it on here. I'm not flying it inside, I'm just turning it on. I'm going to show you how to actually take off. You're going to be outside for this. Again, I'm just showing you inside because it's easier to see the lights and the screen. You can see the cycle of lights that it goes through. And here's the screen. There's a perfect image of my messy countertop. And that little button right there, that little symbol right there with the circle with the arrow, that's the button you're going to hold and push to start flying. It's a little hard to see outside, but once you've pushed that button, you'll get a takeoff button in the center. You need to hold that button down as well till it's fully green, and that will start your drone. In the same spot as the takeoff button on your keypad, you will also get a landing button. Circle with an arrow down, press that, and then you'll get a picture in the middle of your screen again to land. Same thing, push the button and it will come down. I hope I was able to help you out today. If I was, be sure to give my video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time on Tinagirl Life.